you grown-ups. Kids already know this, so I'm talking to you. Even if you don't think you're sick, if you sneeze or cough into your hands and then touch something that I touch, you can make me sick. So if you don't have time to grab a tissue, let me show you what to do. Watch this. Two. See, I sneezed into my sleeve. I covered it up so it didn't spray anywhere. And it didn't get on my hands. So remember, whether you're a kid or a grown-up, don't forget to sneeze into your sleeve. At two. At two. At two. At two.